Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we'll continue along I-81 North in Greene County, Tennessee, beginning at mile 44. We're going to pass through a few rain showers in this video, but they don't last long. One thing I'd like to mention is that 80% of the people who watch our videos aren't subscribed. So if you enjoy our content and want to be notified when new videos come out, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon now. When our new videos come out every 3 days and bonus material is published on the weekends, you'll get a notification and we'll move up to the top of your subscription list. For those of you who do watch, your support means a lot to us and we welcome your comments, thumbs up, and subscriptions. Without our viewers, this channel would not be possible. We enter Fall Branch, a census-designated place that's partially in Greene County and partially in Washington County. The name Falls Branch had been adopted by 1854, and the S was dropped from Falls in 1883, giving the community its current name. The name was inspired by the waterfall in the community's main creek that spills over just before it empties into Horse Creek. A number of buildings dating to the 19th century still stand in Fall Branch. Fall Branch had an estimated population of 1,291 as of the 2010 census. We're now crossing a small corner of Washington County, which had an estimated population of 127,806 as of 2017. We enter Sullivan County, created in 1779 and named for John Sullivan, a general in the Revolutionary War. Sullivan County had an estimated population of 156,667 as of 2016. We enter the city of Kingsport, which lies partially in Sullivan County and partially in Hawkins County. Kingsport is commonly included in what's known as the Mountain Empire, which spans a portion of southwest Virginia and the mountainous counties in northeast Tennessee. The city was developed after the Revolutionary War at the confluence of the North and South Forks of the Holston River. We reach an interchange with Interstate 26, which terminates here in Kingsport, just a couple of miles west of I-81. Exit 63 accesses the TriCities Airport, with the Tri-Cities referring to Kingsport in Johnson City, Tennessee, and Bristol, Virginia. We finish up today's video at exit 66. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com or become a patron at patreon.com/504roadtrips. Be sure to check us out and share on social media and join us for our next 504 road trip.